I could cry. Like 3 pattern pieces. Well, actually 5. I don't think this video is going to be very long. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I'm doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. Today is the last day of Sewmas and I am bringing you this book cover project. I will insert a photo here. I saw it on Pinterest and I really liked it. So it's kind of like a book cover and a purse. I added some pockets so it could be more functional. I think it is so cute. I think it's a great gift, maybe just for yourself or any of your friends that really like books. So yeah, I actually really like this one and I think it's a great way to end off Sewmas. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into it. Okay, I'm about to start my last Sewmas video and I'm going to show y'all that I'm watching The Bachelorette and I could cry. Yeah, if you haven't watched it, spoiler, but Michelle chose Nate over Brandon. And all I have to say is that if it doesn't work out between her and Nate, I think I'm gonna be really mad because Brandon was like madly in love with her. But for my last Sewmas video, I am making this book cover. I will put a photo here. I found it on Pinterest. I think it's gonna be actually really easy to make. I think I'm only gonna need like 3 pattern pieces. Well, actually 5. Because I want to add pockets to the front so you can put your wallet, phone, stuff like that. But yeah, so I think it's gonna be a rectangle, 2 handles, and 2 more rectangles. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all that. Okay, I'm using this sketchbook, so I just measured how, like, the dimensions. So it is 11.5 roughly by 8 inches. So now what I'm gonna do is draw out. If I want to mark it out, so I'm gonna make the width of this roughly a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to extend these out a little bit more so I can fold it over so it can be like a little pocket. So I'm just gonna do it and show y'all. I'm gonna show you all the pattern pieces. Blaze is just sitting on them. Also, this is Tiger, he's asleep. So 1 long rectangle, and I marked everything out so when I fold it over, like, I can have exact lines. This longer rectangle, because it's going to be the handle, so I'm gonna do a double fold and then I'm gonna cut it in half. And then these 2 rectangles, so these will be the pockets, and I'm gonna sew these first, obviously on the outside, before I flip it over and sew that down. So yeah. Also, I don't think this video is going to be very long. So I'm going to insert some Blaze content because I filmed her playing with the scissor just so you can see what it is like every time I sew. And yeah, we'll see. This might be a very short video, so yeah. Okay, I sewed on the pockets, so now I'm going to flip it over, fold on this line, and then just sew down the edge on both sides. Okay, last thing I have to do is attach the straps, and it should be done. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoyed Sewmas. I really enjoyed making all of these projects and these DIY gift ideas, and I think some of them are just so cute. So I really hope y'all liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social medias, and I will see y'all in the new year for more sewing projects and DIY projects. Bye guys.